Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I desperately need a wash and retwist, so I'm going to share with you guys my wash day routine in this video. I have a really simple routine. I only use one product and one product only when I'm washing my hair. If I feel like my hair needs a deeper cleanse, then I'm just going to do an apple cider vinegar rinse/soak. Normally I do pre-poo before I wash my hair, so I'm going to link that video as well in the cards for you guys to watch. I like to use really warm water when I'm washing my hair just to loosen up any dirt or any buildup that might be on my scalp or in my hair. Okay, so if you're new to Dr. Bronner's or you've never heard about it, never used it in your entire life, and you plan on using it, let me tell you this. If no one else will tell you or has told you, you do not need a lot with this product. A little goes a long way. I'm telling you, I can use one drop to wash my hands. You really don't need a lot, so don't go dumping the whole bottle. I use this on my body and on my hair, so it lasts me a really long time because, like I said, a little goes a long way. Originally, I was gonna start off by washing just the front of my hair, but then I decided that I was gonna just wash each half at a time. I know some of you guys may have locks, or you started your locks and you did comb coils, or maybe you did 2-strand twists like me. But even when I had comb coils, I still washed my hair the same exact way. If your comb coils or twists are on the shorter side, I definitely recommend using a stocking cap to wash your hair just to make sure that they don't unravel. Some of them are gonna unravel no matter what, but if your hair is shorter, then they are more likely to fully unravel. For those that are wondering, I like to wash my hair either every 2 weeks or once a month when I retwist my hair. But lately, I've been on the more so every 2 week side of it. But I also wanted to make sure that I really cleanse my scalp well this time because I planned on dyeing my hair right after I washed my hair. I always wash my hair a minimum of 2 times now that I've started my locks. I just feel more comfortable with that. I feel like one cleanse is never enough, and I don't like to have any slimy or grimy feeling on my scalp. So 2 times minimum for me. Also, if you're the type of person where you like to lay and slay your edges, please make sure that you are scrubbing your edges. I'm not talking about scrubbing them to the point where you don't got no edges left after you're done washing your hair, but scrub them so you don't feel that slimy gel on it anymore. That's not good. That can make your skin break out, and you don't want buildup at all, especially not on your edges. So scrub those edges, please and thank you. I don't know if this happens to you guys, but sometimes it'll feel like I'm rinsing my hair for the longest time ever, and I'll still have soap in the weirdest spots. So that's why you see me scrubbing my hair even though I'm done rinsing it, just to make sure that I got all the soap off my scalp and my hair. I hate water dripping down my neck, so I usually tie my hair up with a cotton t-shirt and call it a day. And that's pretty much it for my wash day routine, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time.